I can't tell you how happy I get when I remember I have some unbaked cookie dough stored in the freezer, because that means I can bake just one cookie off, or depending on who's nearby, a bunch more. It's super easy to do, so let me show you how. After you make a batch of cookie dough, portion the cookies out as if you're baking them and place them on a large plate in your freezer or on a sheet pan, whatever you have. Then leave them in the freezer for about 30 minutes and then transfer the dough to a Ziploc bag or any airtight storage container. Then when the moment strikes, all you have to do is preheat your toaster oven or your regular oven and then just bake the cookies according to the recipe. No defrosting necessary. You may have to increase the baking time by a minute or two. You can keep the cookies frozen for up to 2 months, but let's be honest, they'll never last that long. If you like these quick tips or if you need some inspiration for weeknight cooking, check out my series called Today's Special. It's on America's Test Kitchen's YouTube channel.